Subject name Operating Systems, second year, fourth semester. Topic File Access Methods, Unit 5. File Concepts. As we know, a file is defined as a named collection of related information that is stored on secondary storage device, that is hard disk, any storage device. Many different types of information may be stored in a file, such as source or executable programs, numeric or text data, photos, music, video, etc. A file has a certain defined structure which depends on its type. File stores information. When it is used, this information must be accessed and read into computer memory. File access methods. Suppose if you need to access any file, we can use any one of these three ways: sequential access method, direct access method, or indexed access method. Sequential access method. This is the simplest method. Information in the file is processed in order, one record after the another. A read operation and then read next operation. So these are the operations will be useful in the sequential access method. So the next position the file will be read automatically. In the sequential access method, suppose if you want to write an operation, so we can write next. So which will be appends to the end of the file and advances to the end of the newly written material. Direct access method. This is one of the accessing the file method, so which will be on the no particular order. We can read and write records in any position. A file is viewed as a numbered sequence of blocks or records. Direct access files are great use for the immediate access to large amount of information. Direct access method. In the direct access method, we don't want to go one by one, so we can access it directly. Thus, we have read n, where n is the block number, write n rather than write the next one. So there are two methods are given comparatively: sequential access and direct access. Suppose if you are using the reset method in the sequential access, we can use CP is equivalent to 0. So directly we can take it. Read next. In the direct access, we don't want to go for the next position. You can give the current position. CP is equivalent to CP plus 1. Sequential access. So if you want to read the file, you have to if you want to write a file, so you can use a write next. In the direct access, you can straight away you can write your data in the right position, that is CP is equivalent to CP plus 1. This is the final method of access method called indexed sequential access method. In this method, we are using the index for the file. Like an index in the back of the book contains pointers to the various blocks. If you want to find a record on the file, we first search the index and then we can select the pointer to access a file directly and find the desired record. To find a particular item, you can use a binary search method. That is, in the master index, we need to arrange the file in the ascending order and then you can find out the particular file by using the binary search method. After arranging the file, the block is searched sequentially. In this way, any record can be located from its key, at most 2 direct access reads. Thank you.